Avocado contains essential vitamins for the skin, maintaining the integrity and elasticity of it. The nutrients and antioxidants restore the lost moisture and repair the damaged, dry and dull skin. Flaunt your natural glow with the essence of avocado. Remove the aluminum lid and place wax can in heater and turn thermostat on maximum setting for a quick melt. Stir wax until proper consistency has been reached and heater down to normal temperature. Clean the area to be waxed with Intimo Pre-Wax Lotion. Apply wax in a thin layer in the direction of hair growth and wait 1 to 2 seconds for the wax to cool. And to ensure proper adhesion, then remove with strips. After evolution, apply Intimo After Wax Lotion to calm and soothe the skin. Available in 9 different variants: Brazilian black, avocado, banana, green apple, orange, lemon, honey, titanium, zinc oxide.